How to cancel Wolt Plus subscription. Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to cancel Wolt Plus subscription. So to learn how to cancel Wolt Plus subscription, it means that you've initially or previously subscribed to Wolt Plus subscription. So what you need to do first is to open your Wolt app on your mobile phone, just like I've done here. Okay, so once you've opened it, the first thing you see is the image of a picture of a map showing you several Wolt restaurants and where they are located in several cities or country. So you can take a look at it, closer, and you take a look at it to see the one that is closest to you, so that you make the right choice when placing your order. So what is basically about ordering food and delivering food. So once if you want to order a food online, you can use the Wolt app. You click on the restaurant that you want, and the food will be delivered just at your doorstep without you stressing yourself. So at the lower part of the screen, we have icons. We have 5 icons. We have the delivery icon, the restaurant icon, the stores icon, the search icon, and the profile icon. So if you want to cancel Wolt Plus subscription, all you need to do is to click on the profile icon, which is the 5th and the last icon on the list. Once you click on it, you wait for it to load. Once it has loaded, the first thing you're going to see is a round circle at the top left corner of your screen showing your name and your last name. Then you see the tokens option and the credit option. So if you want to use your tokens or your credit on Wolt app, you can do that. And you also see the option to invite your friends, to enter promo code, to contact customer support, and so on. Now you scroll down the page, you see account. Account is under settings. You click on account and you wait patiently for it to load. And here under account, you see your name, the name of your country. You see your profile picture. You see your email, you see your mobile phone number, your name and your last name. You see several things here, so you can just scroll down and explore. Okay, now to cancel Wolt Plus subscription, you have to carefully look at the list. Do you see the Wolt Plus subscription? Once you've seen it, you click on it, and since you've previously subscribed to Wolt Plus subscription, once you click on the Wolt Plus subscription here, you see the option to, before that you're going to have a long press for like 2 to 3 seconds. Once you have a long press on Wolt Plus subscription, you see the option to unsubscribe. If you don't want to subscribe anymore, you click on the option on subscribe. Once you click on the option on subscribe, it means you successfully cancel Wolt Plus subscription. So it's very simple. So that's simply how to cancel Wolt Plus subscription on your mobile phone. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.